Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to be removing a washer bottle in a 2006 Subaru Impreza WRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood right under here. Pull that lever back. Under here is the hood release. Push it to the left. And then the prop rod is right here. Grab that. Stick that right there. We'll take all these clips off. There's 6 of them. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. You can use this tool. Get this underneath. We sell this tool at 1aauto.com. Get underneath and just pry out. Squeeze the tool. Just like that. Get the center part out and use the tool. That one came out easy. At this point, this is all released. All right, we're gonna pull these clips out. Get underneath here with a flat blade tool. Or a trim tool. Use a trim tool. Peel up. That's up. Then I can pull this. This piece is going to come off. Take a straight blade screwdriver, get in under here. Two clips over here. One last clip. And that comes out like that. There's a clip here, 2 clips there, and a clip right there. And it pulls right out. Now we have to take this little push clip out. And use our trim tool. Oh, this one's a difficult one. Try this trim tool. On your vehicle, you may have a cover that goes right here. There'd be multiple clips that hold it in. You want to take those out. We have these 3 clips that go on this side and also on the passenger side. So we'll take these out. And take this one out. And this one happens to be missing. So we're going to drop the vehicle down a little bit. We have to access this T25 screw. We're going to use a T25 Torx driver. The driver's side is going to be the same as the passenger side. Just pull this out. All right, now we're going to grab on the side of the bumper. Pull out. It's good to have a partner with you so you can pull it off and then you don't drop it. So we're going to pull this push retainer out. We use a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a little slot for that. You just twist it out a little bit and pull that up. Then we'll use a trim tool, get underneath and pull that out. That loosens up the top part of this washer reservoir. We have a Phillips head screw right here. We're going to pull that out with a Phillips head screwdriver. That pulls this cover off. We're going to disconnect this electrical connector first. Pull that off. You just push down and that will release the terminal. We're going to pull the pump out. We're going to pull it straight out from the top. Like that. Work it back and forth a little bit. We're going to use a screwdriver in behind here. Pry it out a little bit. Oops. When you pull this off, the wash fluid's going to come out. You're going to want to have a drain bucket so you can catch the washer fluid. Pull the top off and it'll come out faster. Pull the pump out of your way. Disconnect the washer fluid pump. You can just twist this right here. Using a 90-degree pick, I can get in underneath here and break the seal. And then I can twist it and pull it off. And there's your washer pump. Take a trim tool, pull this wiring harness off. Just like that. And we're going to take a 10mm socket, a ratchet, an extension. We'll take off this nut right here. Now I'm going to use a longer extension. Get this bolt back here. And then take this last bolt out here. And grab the reservoir. Pull this hose off. We're going to have to fish from the top, twist it a little bit to get that to come out. Twist it back and forth and that will come right out. All right, we're going to reinstall this washer reservoir. We're going to guide this up the hole here. We're going to have to grab it from up top a little bit and guide it through. Pull that up there, twist down here. Once that's twisted in, line that stud up. And take the hose, clip that into place there, clip this one into place here. And stick that nut on and start that. Stick this bolt in over here. Just get it started. Stick the other 10mm bolt in here. Don't tighten it too tight, it is plastic. And then last, this nut. You can install this pump. We're going to push this hose on here and then take the pump, slip it into the hole in the reservoir and push down. I can take the electrical connector and clip it in. Okay, we'll put the cover on, get this lined up with a Phillips head screw. Make sure you line the hose up right there. Tighten this down. And we can reattach this wiring harness, clip that in there. Install this retainer right here and just push it down. And then we're going to fill it up with washer fluid up to capacity. You can reinstall the cap. All right, before we put the new bumper on, make sure this foam piece is on here, like that. You can grab the pumper, line it up in the center. Get the sides lined up, then it'll just clip right in. And we're gonna push this plastic on the inside here, like that, and then install this T25 right there. We'll use the Torx driver and tighten this down. Make sure this lines up good with the fender. And we'll do the same on this side. Now we're going to push all these push clips in, just like that, and then push the lock in. Right, this piece goes on the inside, and this piece comes on the outside, like that. And then lock that one. Lock that one. And then we'll do the same over here. Put that in. And if you had that other panel, you would put that in right now. We don't have that on this vehicle. I'm going to stick these push retainers in here. One there. Push that in, lock it down. At this point we can install this guard right here. Right like that. So push this side in first, and then the rest will snap in. Then we put these little retainers in. Push those down. We have these other retainers. Push these in. Lock them down. Close the hood, grab the prop rod, pull that out. We're gonna lock it in right here, and then drop the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.